Hi, welcome. This is Plasma. And in Plasma, as such, we've made a new script. And the script lets you share folders the easy way in Plasma, only in Plasma. You see this icon here, which has a, how's it called again? A little icon here, a little sign here that this is shared. So with a right mouse click, properties, after running a script only in Plasma, you can actually say to somebody, you Eric, you are allowed full control. And you see there's no icon. All you have to do is switch. Then the icon is there. So these two guys are shared in my home network, not with the internet, no, with the guys at home. After your router or modem, you can navigate to the network and have a look at what's out there and go and see and share with each other photos, films, music, and so on in a particular file. Now, I wanted, well, let's tell you that this is at this point in time still in testing, but it's soon be rolled out. And it's just if you want to share a folder or data over the net, there is also the possibility of a network attached storage, NAS, by a NAS, N-A-S. But also, well, you can share it here on your own computer. This particular folder, everything I put in here, everybody can see it. And that's called Samba. So Arch Wiki Samba. We have a script that installs it. And for Plasma users, we have a script that it facilitates the right mouse click. You can actually see and I just done the example, given the example right mouse click, right? And all you need to do is run this bin main, install this guy, install that guy, reboot. That's in another video. What I wanted to do together with you is check out the details of the application of the script. Because just now somebody says, hey, we'd like to learn scripting. So here it is. This is a script. This guy says, hey, if something fails, just stop with everything. And this is telling him the shebang, so the bin bash, right? But even without it, it will work as long as executable. But for readability, we call it .sh shell, right? And bin bash set -e, so blah blah. That's all hidden. So anything with a hashtag, nobody sees. And take a look at this. I always say, I even made videos just trying to get through to people, saying, look, think out of the box. Again, this is an example. I found the solution on Fedora, right? Somebody gave us the knowledge what to do on Fedora 23. All you have to do is whatever problem you faced is translated to an ArcoLinux environment. This is not something we know. DNF is something we do not know. All right? But I looked at it with common sense, said, okay, what's needed? What's special for the guys of Fedora? And what do we need? And that's how we made the script. The knowledge of somebody else on a completely different Linux system, but similarities. So add the following to etc samba smb.conf underneath the global heading. That's what I've done. Let's navigate to it. So Samba is ruled with a file, obviously, right? Something must, as always, anything you do on your computer system, it's always a file somewhere. The question is always where. Now maybe I can include that as well. Where? You can find where with software update here. This is Discover. That's another application just for Plasma guys. This is PAMAC, and PAMAC is a great tool to see where. You say, okay, that's something you should know, Samba, right? What does Samba provide? Dependencies, files, and here you have everything this particular package provides, and you read it. I always read and have a look what's written on my machine, on my computer. At some parts, these are the pathways, etc, user share, in these folders, these files. have been written. Okay, and that's how we find out that etc Samba has a smb.conf. There is one provided with ArcoLinux, there's one from the default and the original. So you can compare, and comparing we do this with right mouse click, and we have a melt menu in Plasma, but there's also a compare in XFCE, in Tunar, etc. Okay, now let's open this guy. Look at the lines here. We run the script, so everything is already working, right? We ran the script, and it says, put these lines after the lines of glow. User share allow guests true. User maximum shares 5. You can change the number, I suppose, right? But 5 is already indeed a lot. User share only is true, and user share path is var lib Samba shares. That's something probably we'll have to take a look at. What's this var thing? Okay, let's open a new tab. Where is this var thing leading us? Var lib Samba. Okay, found it. Shares. Everything has a lock except this guy. You need to reboot, right? Remember, always reboot. And in here 2 files have been written. What 2 files? As it happens, let's take another tab. As it so happens, it is exactly the folders I've shared. Public templates. Public templates. So it needs to write a particular data. This is gibberish. I don't care. Right? It's okay. We can read it, but I mean it's unimportant. But this will save the settings for next time. When I reboot the system, it's going to read, oh, public, that's shared. Templates, that's shared. That's the information. Everything should be written somewhere. So as a result of the script, where is that? As a result of the script, well, first of all, we need this. How do we know we need this? Well, this guy told us that we need to install this thing. But never forget there is, and that's why we love it, ArcoLinux, there's an Arch wiki for Samba. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't say a lot. So control find KDE, right? Or Plasma. Okay, you click on here and all it says is install KDE network file sharing, but that's an important information. So basically we tell to the system, install -s pacman package manager, install me this thing with no confirmation, just install it. So no yes, yes, and so on. And need it. If it's already installed, well, skip it. It's already there. So the information is here, but here it ends. This is it, 2 lines. So thank God we have somebody who put in the energy of Fedora to explain to us what to do. So this is the name on Fedora. We have another name, but Samba is Samba, and that's in this script number 104. Let's no, this was here to show you that. So in here in the bin, it says here, open up, install the Samba, and so on. You see, install Samba, get the latest Samba from there, change and enable these things, all enabled. And then some questions about what's your login? Sorry, make a login and another package. So we have Samba installed as well. Our way of installing, ArcoLinux way of installing, but in this case Samba is Samba. So we've added these lines underneath global, check, right? Took a while to figure out how to do the script, but here it is. That's how it's done. One day it's better than the other, you'll see. So it says here, this is the file we want to change, etc samba smb.conf. So that's file, the parameter, the variable. And this is a command that's going to change global. So look for the file, for the word global. And then back to here. Nope, back to here. and append after this thing. If you find it, then you add these lines with a backslash. I'm making sure that the code is not cut off, and it's one block of text, and it goes into the file. Where? Into etc samba smb.conf. So I've added a few lines to smb.conf. These 4. Do we have 4 on the website? We have 4 on the website. Just following along what it says here. And so there are lots of tutorials, and think out of the box. Take an Ubuntu, take a Manjaro, take whatever, and think what are they doing? Is there something similar on our system? The last path that we defined above for user share path, so this thing, that is var_lib needs to be created. It's not optional, and user that you intend to be able to use this must be able to write inside the directory, whether by group permissions, user permissions. Bear in mind that what's going on there is that Dolphin, that's our file manager, like Thunar, Nautilus, and Nemo, is going to call netuser add, and that command will be written in the file path, which then SMB service will acquire and use as on-the-fly share configuration. And that's his personal take. So is it correct? Is it not correct? It's working, right? His personal take, how to solve it. It says make directory. So there was no directory before. We make one now. We're going to add the group shares. We're going to add Eric. This is a variable. Add Eric to the group shares. We are going to change the ownership root shares with this particular directory that we've created. It's up here. And then we're going to change the modus, so change mod, and then this particular folder is changed in modus. If you want to see what's really happening, you can maybe copy paste one by one. That's a good idea. That's how I do it, to learn what's going on. But if you run the script, of course, everything is instant. And then it says restart. No, I say reboot, right? Log out of Plasma, log back in. No, give every operating system the chance to load everything up, whatever you changed. So a reboot is good. And then when you return, you should be able to start Dolphin. Then you should be able to right click a folder and go to the share tab and so on. Once clicked OK, executed this on behind it so you can see. And I'm including this because maybe somebody has problems, and maybe you say, hey, this is sound advice. I'm not going to read this bit here, but we have not done that. This is not something we've done. We've stopped here at more advice. But maybe there are issues, and you know what the source is there. And have a look at it. So basically, we followed a guy from Fedora, took his knowledge, transported it on ArcoLinux, and there you go. We have now the possibility to say, again, one more example, pictures, properties, share this with any kind of name, share pictures Eric, so people see the name in their network, and you say, okay, allow guests, maybe a good idea, somebody can see it, everyone read only, Eric has full control, which means I can update, I can remotely put stuff on there, on this computer. Okay, another computer, I put files, whatever, on this computer. No icon, switch, icon. What changed? An extra share. All right, hope you love it. Remember, this is only for Plasma, and well, have fun.